you just want to have a external SSD drive hooked up, and that's hooked up to your computer from USB to the SSD. I'll put the items in the description what you need to do that, so you can offload your photos onto the SSD and have more hard drive space for your computer. And your iPhone. You could send it to, airdrop it to your iPhone. Okay, and I'll show you what that looks like, the SSD hooked into the computer. So stay tuned. Here's a USB hub, and on this USB hub, I have this USB hooked into it. This hub hooks into the computer. Okay, see that white part right there on the left side of it? That cord, that hooks into the computer, in the back of the computer. This cord goes to an SSD drive on the side of the desk here, and that's an SSD cable. So it's USB to SSD you need, and I'll list the component in the description and the comments, so you can get that, so you can offload photos, from your iPhone. You can airdrop them from your iPhone to the computer to the SSD. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I hope this helps you, and bye for now.